In this video, I'll show you how to easily delete your account bio history on Instagram. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. By default, Instagram saves all your bio changes, and you may want to delete this history. To do that, first open the Instagram app, then tap on your profile icon to go to your profile. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner and select your activity. Scroll down to the How you use Instagram section, where you'll find the Account History option. Once you are in Account History, tap on Update Type at the top. Then select Bio and hit Apply. This will display all your bio history, sorted from the most recent to the oldest. To delete your account bio history, simply tap Clear All. And that's how you can easily do it. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up.